Axie Infinity value equivalent to $7.542 a coin. The present exchange cost range $7.70, $74 and 761. The earlier day close $7.303. The change was plus 0.239, plus 33%. Backwards rate ICE to AX. Dollar to Axie Infinity conjecture for August 2024. At the outset cost at 0.151 coins. Excessive costs are 151, while lows are 124. They arrived at the midpoint of costs 140. The US to AX conjecture toward the month's ends at 133. Change for August 11.9%. US to AX expectation for September 2024. Initially cost at 0.133 coins. Excessive costs are 133, while lows are 107. They arrived at the midpoint of costs are at 122. The US to AX figure toward the month's end 0.115. Change for September 13.5%. Dollar to Axie Infinity figure for October 2024. Initially cost at 0.115 coins. Excessive costs on 19, while lows on 103. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 112. The US to AX figure toward the month's end 110. Change for October 4.3%. US to AX expectation for November 2024. Before all else cost at 110 coins. Excessive costs 110, while lows at 89. They arrived at the midpoint of costs on 101. The US to AX figure toward the month's end 0.95. Change for November 13.6%. Dollar to Axie Infinity figure for December 2024. Before all else cost at 0.95 coins. Exorbitant costs are 95, while lows are 77. They found the middle value of cost on 88. The US to AX gauge toward the month's ends on 83. Change for December 12.6%. US to AX expectation for January 2025. To start with cost at 0.83 coins. Exorbitant costs on 83, while lows in 67. They found the middle value of cost on 76. The US to AX gauge toward the month's ends in 71. Change for January 14.5%. Dollar to Axie Infinity conjecture for February 2025. At the outset cost at 0.71 coins. Excessive costs are 76, while lows are 66. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 71. The US to AX conjecture toward the month's ends and 71. Change for February's 1%. US to AX expectation for Walk 2025. At the outset cost at 0.71 coins. Exorbitant costs on 73, while lows on 64. They found the middle value of cost 69. The US to AX estimate toward the month's ends 68. Change for spring 4.2%. Dollar to Axie Infinity estimate for April 2025. First and foremost cost at 0.68 coins. Exorbitant costs in 73, while lows in 63. They found the middle value of cost 68. The US to AX estimate toward the month's ends 68. Change for April 0%. US to AX expectation for May 2025. First and foremost cost at 0.68 coins. Exorbitant costs are 70, while lows on 61. They found the middle value of cost 66. The US to AX's estimate toward the month's ends in 65. Change for May 4.4%. Dollar to Axie Infinity estimate for June 2025. To start with cost at 0.65 coins. Exorbitant costs are in 68, while lows are in 59. They found the middle value of cost 64. The US to AX estimate toward the month's ends is 63. Change for June 3.1%. US to AX expectation for July 2025. At the outset cost at 0.63 coins. Excessive costs in 67, while lows are in 58. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 63. The US to AX conjecture toward the month's ends 62. Change for July 1.6%. Dollar to Axie Infinity conjecture for August 2025. At the outset cost at 0.62 coins. Excessive costs are 65, while lows are 57. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 61. The US to AX figure toward the month's end 0.61. Change for August 1.6%. US to AX expectation for September 2025. Initially cost at 0.61 coins. Excessive costs on 63, while lows on 55. They arrived at the midpoint of costs 60. The US to Axie figure toward the month's end 0.59. Change for September 3.3%. Dollar to Axie Infinity figure for October 2025. Before all else cost at 0.59 coins. Excessive cost 0.59, while lows on 47. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 0.54. The US to Axie figure toward the month's end 0.51. Change for October 13.6%. US to Axie expectation for November 2025. Before all else cost at 0.51 coins. Excessive costs 0.63, while lows in 51. The arrived at the midpoint of costs in 56. The US to Axie gauge toward the month's end 0.59. Change for November 15.7%. Dollar to Axie Infinity gauge for December 2025. To start with cost at 0.59 coins. Exorbitant cost 0.75, while low zone 59. The found the middle value of cost 0.66. The US to Axie gauge toward the month's end 0.70. Change for December 18.6%. US to Axie expectation for January 2026. At the outset cost at 0.70 coins. Excessive costs in 89, while lows on 70. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 0.78. The US to Axie conjecture toward the month's ends in 83. Change for January 18.6%. Dollar to Axie Infinity conjecture for February 2026. At the outset cost at 0.83 coins. Excessive costs on 101, while lows on 83. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 0.90. The US to Axie estimate toward the month's end 0.94. Change for February 13.3%. US to Axie expectation for walk 2026. First and foremost cost at 0.94 coins. Exorbitant costs on 120, while lows are 94. The found the middle value of cost 105. The US to Axie estimate toward the month's end 111. Change for spring 18.1%. Dollar to Axie Infinity estimate for April 2026. To start with cost at 111 coins. Exorbitant costs 111, while lows are 90. The found the middle value of cost 102. The US to Axie estimate toward the month's end 0.96. Change for April 13.5%. US to Axie expectation for May 2026. Before all else cost at 0.96 coins. Excessive costs 0.96, while lows on 77. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 0.88. The US to Axie figure toward the month's end 0.83. Change for May 13.5%. Dollar to Axie Infinity gauge for June 2026. To start with cost at 0.83 coins. Exorbitant costs on 83, while lows are 67. The found the middle value of cost 76. The US to Axie gauge toward the month's end 0.71. Change for June